Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Maserati Quattroporte. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very common issue that you're going to face or might have already faced on your Maserati. This applies to many different models, and the issue is with the window. So if it gets stuck in an open position like this, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick way on how to bring it up. The real cause of this is the window regulator, which I am going to be replacing very soon. But as of right now, if you got bad weather, if it's raining, snowing, or whatever it might be, or you want to drive with the window up, then I'm going to share with you on how you could put it back up. So if I forcefully try to bring it up, it's not going to go more past this point. So in order to get this window up, you're going to remove your door panel, which I have another video for posted already on my channel, so please check that out. Once you have the door panel removed, we're going to remove this protective cover. And just be careful with it. It's a thin foam layer and it could rip very easily. With it moved out of the way, we're going to remove the second one out of the way. And here's our regulator and the assembly. So the problem that I see right now that I have lies within this piece back here. So these two are what operate the window. This, if you pull it, it'll bring the glass down. And then there's this other one, but as you guys see, this one does not contract back in like the other one. And it's disconnected from the top side. So once you have access to this open area and you could see the glass, what you're going to do is with two hands, push the glass all the way up. And now you're going to be able to completely close the window up. Just like that, give it a good push. Your window is now completely closed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tip on how to get your window up on your Maserati Quattroporte. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and share button. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video.